Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. We have 5 of the $1 Blizzard Bucks. If any one of your numbers match the winning numbers, win the prize. Reveal the cash roll, win double that prize. Alright, win up to $100 on this ticket. We're starting off with ticket number 182. The odds, 1 out of 4.75. Alright, so winning number is 9, 3. Alright, we have a win. We have a win. That's good. Okay, we have another win. Okay, our third win. Alright, so we have, what do we got? We have $1, $2. Oh, we have a $4 winner. Alright, so we're only one off of getting our money back for this, but there we go, right off the bat, $4 winner. Alright, ticket number 183, let's see what you can do. The winning number for this is my number 2. Let's see, do we get, oh my goodness, I finally win with my number, I think. I think it's the first time I've won with my number. I could be wrong, but, oh, look at this, another number 2. Is this going to be a win-all? And there's another number 2. Another 2. Oh, bless my heart. All 2s. All right. We got a 1. We got a 2. 3. 4. $5. All right, so we're already in the profit. $5 winner here. And $4 here. So we have a nice little profit. Let's see what ticket 184 does. Winning number is a 3. There's that 9. There's a 5. Whoops. 10. 7. And 12. Unfortunately, our first loss on that ticket, but that's okay. We're already in a profit session. All right, let's see what ticket 185 does. Winning number 8. And we get a 3, 4. Still can get that money roll. There's a 1, a 5, and a 12. So nothing on that one. All right, last ticket for this session. What are we going to get? A 3. We have a 2, my number. A 12. 6. 8. We needed that on the last one. And a 9. All right, so unfortunately, that was it for this session. But we have $4 and $5 for $9, so we ended up with a $4 profit. I'll take it. Oops. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.